Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make fruit sandwich. Have you ever tasted Japanese fruit sandwich? In Japan, we like to eat the sandwich with fruits and whipped cream inside. I'll use 3 kinds of fruits today: strawberry, kiwi, and banana. Fruit sandwich is very common in Japan. You can buy at convenience store or sandwich specialty shop. It's very simple to make. And it's good for children as well. During this video, I'll show some tips and techniques to make delicious fruit sandwich. So please watch until the end. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients.
And now the fruit sandwich is done, so let's try tasting. So I bring here the 3 kinds: strawberry, banana, and kiwi. いただきます. Okay, let's see which one should I start. Okay, so let's try the basic one, strawberry. Since I put the condensed milk as a secret ingredient, sweetness from the condensed milk goes well with the sour from the strawberry. And also, the whipped cream harmonizes everything, so it's a good snack. And in this Japanese white bread, it's similar texture like a sponge cake. So I feel like eating strawberry sponge cake. Now let's try the kiwi. What is good about this sandwich is you don't need to wet your finger. You can easily eat fruits. Again, condensed milk goes well with the sourness from the kiwi, so you can enjoy different texture. Creamy texture from the whipped cream, the soft texture from the Japanese white bread. Okay, then let's try the last one, banana and chocolate and cocoa cream. The banana and chocolate is always a good combination. Definitely, the cocoa and chocolate cream goes well with the banana. I think this one goes well with coffee. And these two goes well with tea, I think. How do you think? Please let me know. ごちそうさまでした. So do you remember the tip? When you make a whipped cream, please make it a bit hard. When you take it out, you can see the triangle shape. Please make the whipped cream very hard. And then tip, as a secret sauce, I recommend to add condensed milk. It goes well with everything, like whipped cream and sourness from the fruits. So please try it out. And tip, when you make a strawberry flavor fruit sandwich, I recommend to use very small strawberries. And tip, when you slice the fruit sandwiches, I recommend to use the cellophane. I use 2 types of cellophane, the very thin one and good quality one. But the good quality one, it's hard to slice even using good sharpened bread knife. So I recommend to use the very thin cellophane and slice. Those are the tips. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Sleeping! Mario-kun, Luigi-kun. たまに起きて. I started sending newsletter. So if you're interested in joining YUCa's Japanese cooking newsletter, please go to my website, yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. Once you open my website, you can see the pop-up screen. So please type your email address and join my mailing list. Here is Sui-chan. These days, she roll many times. Super energetic girl. Thank you so much, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.